just wanted to talk to you a little bit about dance etiquette. Now, if you're a beginner and you've just started social dancing, it could be salsa, it could be ballroom, it could be tango, whatever style of partner dancing, you will find in your area with your teachers or with the organisations or clubs that are providing those socials that there is a general etiquette. Now, I'm based in the UK. I go to a lot of salsa functions and social ballroom dancing functions. So predominantly with those, you will find two different types of atmospheres. You will find sometimes in the ballroom that people come with their own partner. Sometimes that could be people that are married or actually personally related, but other times it could be someone who's just a good friend who they go dancing with all the time, and they will predominantly want to dance with that partner. You might find that they don't ask other people to dance. So whilst it's still a social dance event, someone has come with a particular dance partner and will continue to dance with that one. Now, if you are a solo dancer, a single dancer, maybe you don't have a partner to take with you, it's worth speaking to the organisers in advance, dropping them a message, or speaking to somebody else that you might know that's gone to one of these events and find out whether it is suitable for you to go on your own. Now, if you're going to things like salsa events, bachata events, those kinds of things, now most of those are people that go on their own, and everyone asks everyone else to dance, and you could be a beginner, you could be advanced, and so on. So at those types of events, the common etiquette is that you can go on your own, you don't have to go with a partner. You could still go with a partner if you have one, but you don't need to. Everyone just stands around the dance floor and waits to be asked to dance, or goes and asks people to dance. Now, those types of events, again, I'm talking a little bit more about the salsa, bachata, kizomba. You tend to find that there is a pattern or another etiquette around how many dances you should have with one person in an evening. So if I'm at a salsa bachata event, you'll find someone comes and asks you for a salsa. Perfect. You say thank you very much after the dance and off you go. You may find, if it's a small dance and there's not many people there, that they might come back and ask you for a bachata later on. And that's fine, no problem. If it's a really big event, you might never see that person again. You've had one dance and there's lots of other people to dance with. With the Kizomba, now I'm not a Kizomba teacher, that's not my forte, but with the Kizomba there's a little bit more etiquette around having more than one dance with that partner. And again, regionally and geographically in different places, there's even more etiquette around having maybe 3 dances with that partner, very similar to tango. So tango, you are expected to go and have 3 dances in a row with that person. So if you get asked to dance at a tango event, you would be dancing those next 3 dances. So make sure you don't just walk off the dance floor. Now, the point about all of this is that I'm not the expert that can give you every single etiquette for every single dance style in every single location around the world. It is different. So you've got regional, you've got country specific, and you've got dance specific and types of events. So it's really, really worth asking, what is the general rule or the etiquette for that particular dance style in that particular area or at that particular club or event or so on. Okay, so that's my little advice to you. If you're a beginner and you don't want to get it wrong, ask someone who goes regularly, ask your teacher, ask someone who might have been to that type of event before and get the general idea. And if you've never been there before and you can't message anyone in advance, then at least when you get there, speak to someone at the front door, speak to one of the organisers and generally find out what's going on, okay? Right, that's it, short video for today, all about your social dance etiquette and whether you should be asking people for 1, 2, 3 or more dances or whatever. Okay, thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.